Thanks for tuning in, guys. My name is Ben. Welcome back. Today I'm receiving some steps in the mail from Go Rhino. They are for my new truck I just picked up. Had it for just under a month now, and I've just been testing it out, seeing what's up. But anyway, this is the beast. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of what the outside looks like, just so we can see the differences later on. Alright, so here we go. 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 with the Cummins. Right off the bat over here, as you can see, it's got the 17-inch XDs wrapped in 35-inch Coopers. As you get close, look at all that paint. Rhino-lined inside and out. See? Huh? Get in there. See? No. The cap's been done too. There's the exhaust. Got duals. You see the reverse fog lights, the camera, the shackles. Got the aftermarket LEDs. So this is just a quick video, you know, just to see the difference between now and then. So same style LEDs in the front, shackles, 1/2-inch bar, pick up the truck. Anyway, there you go. I'm just doing a quick little external show. I'll get into more details later on another video, as well as performance parts and such. So as you can see, that's just a quick little show, just, you know, just to get an idea of what it looks like before I started touching it and doing anything to it. So anyway, here we are. So thanks for tuning in. See you guys on the next one.